This video demonstrates the removal and fitment of the QuickLock ladder rack available from M Holdings. The QuickLock rack is uniquely designed so that when removed from the tray body, there are no obstructions or holes left in the tray floor. To remove the rack from the tray body, firstly lower the drop side and tailgate. Then loosen the locking plates on either side of the rack using a 19mm socket. Once the locking plates have been loosened, apply inward pressure to disengage from the keyway. Once disengaged, the rack can be removed, leaving no obstructions in the cargo area. To install the rack, simply engage one side onto the keyway, ensuring the locking plate remains to the outside of the side coaming. Once one side is in position, apply inward pressure to the rack while lowering over the keyway. With both mounts engaged, you can tighten the locking plates to clamp the ladder rack to the tray body.